Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am back with another freaking video. As you can see by that title, baby, as you can see by that thumbnail, I am giving you guys a wig install tutorial. I am going to be installing this wig right here on my head. But the crazy thing is, I gotta put in some cornrows and I don't really know how to do them, so I gotta watch YouTube videos to see how I can do my cornrows, baby. And I know they ain't gonna be the best, but baby, we're gonna try. We're gonna try. They're gonna be good enough to get this wig on. I know that. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. As y'all can see, a mess. Like I told y'all, but your girl do got a little hang time back there with the little cornrows. Okay. But yeah, this is the best it's gonna get. But I don't even care about the cornrows, because baby, when I put this cap on it, you ain't gonna be able to see nothing. But I'm about to bury these little things back here. Now I'm using a black cap because I don't have no brown one. So yeah. But let me get this got to be glue. Put it on my edges. Wrong over my brush. But I'm just coming back. I don't even know where my edge brush at. Now I'm gonna put my cap down. Just like that. Y'all, I'm not a pro. This is for beginners. Okay guys, now I'm about to get my got to be and just spread on this hairline. I usually do like 2 or 3 layers, the same as the got to be, not the got to be, the same as the ghost line. When you inside the wig, you want to put 2 or 3 layers. I do the same thing because one layer just ain't gonna hold the cap down on your head. At least not for me. But you do what you do. Okay, y'all, now that my cap is basically glued to my hair, I'm about to go in with these little scissors and just cut the cap. If these scissors go through, okay, they doing something. I'm just about to cut the cap just like this. I suggest using little scissors because I don't know, they just better with the wigs. Cut out my little ear holes, baby. Cut thing. There we go. Just like that. Do the other side. Just like that. And don't worry about this because I'm about to go back and cut it. Now for the part back here, I really just tighten in a knot. Just like that, and baby, took it. That's how I do that. Now for this, I'm about to just cut off the excess lace. Well, not lace, cap. Whatever you want to call it, babes. Just like that. That's that. And you can put makeup on it, but like I said, I got on a black cap, and this wig already got makeup in it or on it. As you can see, makeup is already on it, so let me brush it real quick. Sort of look like that. Just like that. Yes, boo. But let me tighten it up on the inside because obviously it's too fucking big for my kid. Y'all, I say it's good to have a mannequin here because what I just did was, I ain't do nothing but put the wig up here. But what I did was put it like this and pin it down so I can get my hot comb, which is this. Don't mind the tape and stuff, baby. It's messed up, but it still works. I am going to take the hot comb and just push all this hair right here back. So when I go to lay the lace down, no hair be in the way. And I wish I had my wet stick, but I don't. So, yeah, that's what I'm about to do. As y'all can see, the hair is pulled back, baby. The wig finna eat. Now let's put it on. Now, y'all, all I'm doing is putting my first layer and I like to put it like before my cap. And I like to just smear it onto the cap like that. And y'all want to do 3 layers. Like, y'all see how this right here already clear? Like, you can't see it. You want to do that 3 times. So I'm about to do it 2 more times. Okay, guys. Make sure y'all can see me. After you put your 3 layers on, 3 layers of glue. Me personally, I do it like section by section. So I will put my wig on there in the middle, and I take my comb and just like comb it in. Comb it in. Take this side, pull it down, comb it in. And then take this side, drop it down, comb it in. Pull it down. Comb it in. Just like that. Now we're gonna get to the other side. And then you're gonna do the same thing you just did to that side. Pull it back. Now as y'all can see, my edge stains. The ends of the wig is not glued all the way down. So all I'm about to do is take my Ghost Bond or Black Bold. I'm sorry, I've been saying Ghost Bond this whole time. And I'm just about to take the part that's not really glued down like that. Make sure you got all the hair out of the way and just add some glue. Just like that. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Make sure ain't no hair in the way. And I'm gonna take the glue and add it underneath. Just like that. I'm gonna take my comb, mix it in. The same thing to the other side. When it clear, gonna take it and just pull it down. Take your comb and just comb it in. That's what you gonna do. Okay, y'all. So after y'all take that bend off. Okay, my phone down. But after y'all take that bend off, y'all see this little, the white edge, baby, we about to fix that. You want to take your Got2b. Don't spray it up there because, no. You're going to spray it on your finger. So, I spray mine on my hand like that. Take it and just dab it up there. Just dab it up there. Just like that. Oh, phone sliding. Dab it up there. Then you're gonna go back in with your little elastic band or whatever you got. And you're gonna tie that thing back. Make sure you got it like directly on the lace. You're gonna tie it and put that thing up there for another 20, 25, 30 minutes. Make sure it's tight. Try to cut your circulation if you can. The tighter the band, the better the lace. Okay. Tie that up there. Make sure it's up there on your lace. Then I'm gonna go in with my second elastic band. And tie that up there. Real good. Just like that. Just like that. Eats. The wig eats. Okay, hold on, because my elastic band just came off, baby. Just gonna take my hot comb. Y'all, I be holding this thing with this towel because if I don't, the hot comb, it just ain't gonna do what it's supposed to do. It be doing all that flipping and stuff. Okay, y'all, so after y'all tap y'all little lace with the got to be glue to clear up the little ashy edges, baby, it should look like this. I ain't have my my elastic band on long enough. That's why it look like this. But other than that, baby, the wig eats. I'm about to put the elastic band on because I'm about to go to sleep. So in the morning, it's going to be fine. But if you guys like this video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and continue to vibe with your girl, Creed. I did throw me on some lashes because, baby, I'm about to get on Snapchat real quick. But that's a different story. Add me on Snapchat, by the way. At Big Bang Creed. I'm putting it in the description down below. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and continue to vibe with your girl, Creed. And I'm going to see y'all in the next video. Peace.